Welcome to ESGI. I'm Adam, a former kindergarten teacher who loves to make school more enjoyable and engaging for teachers and students. I've used ESGI for over 12 years as a teacher, and I'm really excited to help you get started. Let's dive in.
In this video, we'll set up your account so you can begin progress monitoring and testing your students with confidence. First, once you've logged into your ESGI account, make sure you're working in the correct school year. You can check this by using the drop-down menu in the top left corner of your screen. Next, let's add students to your class list. One option is to use Student Manager. Student Manager allows you to search for students who may already be in ESGI from a previous school year or another class in your district. To search for a student, type the student's name into the search bar. If the student is already in the system, ESGI will find them. Click on the student's name, then select Assign to your class and add them to your class list. You can also add students manually by clicking the plus sign. From here, you can add one student at a time or upload your full class list using a file. To add an individual student, select Add a Student. Enter the student's first name, last name, and any additional information you would like to include. Then click Save. This will ensure that the student has been added to your class list on your home screen. To add multiple students at once, click the plus sign and select Add Students via File. This option allows you to upload a file with your class information. This file should include the required student information shown on the screen. ESGI accepts CSV files or Excel-style documents. If you don't already have a class list ready, you can download the ESGI template from there. And you can add the information or copy and paste it from an existing class list, then upload the completed file. Once your class list has been added, you're ready to begin assessing your students. In ESGI, assessments are organized within what we call subject tabs. You can access subject tabs using the drop-down menu at the top of your screen. They also live right at the top of your screen for easy access. When you log into your account, you may see blue school subject tabs or purple district subject tabs that were added by your school district or district administrators. You can also create and use your own personal subject tabs. Personal subject tabs are where you can organize the assessments you want to use with your students. To access assessments within a subject tab, click the arrow next to the subject tab name in the drop-down menu. The assessments in that tab will appear on your home screen. If you need to confirm that your account is linked to your district, click on your account, then expand your account settings using the arrows. Select School and District and confirm that your district is listed. If your account is not linked to your district, click the orange question mark at the bottom of your screen. Then select Contact Us to get support. For more information about using ESGI, visit the Virtual Training Academy for more helpful videos just like this one.